Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial we will learn about how to generate or how to show multiple winforms on a single winform of ch.net. So how we can do that? First of all, we need to go to File, click on New and click on Project. Here we will click on Visual C#, Windows and Windows Forms application. Here we can change the name of the project as Transparent 555, okay, and click on Windows Forms application, click OK. Now our form has been generated. Okay, our form has been generated. Okay, now go to toolbox. Now we will go and take panel. Okay, panel control. So where it is, we need to write this, and this is our panel. We can make it a little bit big. Okay, like this and like this. Okay, this is our panel. Okay, we can just move it out like this. Okay, this is first. Okay, now we will place certain controls on it. Okay, like push buttons. Okay, different push buttons. Okay, button 1, button 2 and button 3 here. Okay, and we will we have taken the second one and we will place 3 push buttons like this. Okay, so go and take push button and go and take push button. Okay, like this. Okay, now we have 2 panels, panel 1 and panel 2. Now double click on. First you need to do one thing. You just need to go to the visibility property of the panel and set it to the false. Okay, visibility must be set to false in the start. Okay, visibility here is true, it must be false. Okay, and panel 1 visibility must be, where it is, we have to go for its visibility, it must be false. Okay, now we will run it out and we will see visibility is false. Okay, now how we can, now we will go to push button 7 and we will just write panel 1 dot visible is equal to true, and panel and button in button 8 we will write panel 2 dot visible is equal to true. Okay, now we will run it out and we will see this is panel 1 and this is panel 2. Okay, so we now it is just like this. Okay, wait, let me see it. You also need to do one thing. Okay, like when panel 1 dot visible is equal to true, then at the same time you need to write panel 2 dot visible is equal to false. Okay, false. Panel 1 dot visible is equal to true, then panel 1 dot visible is equal to false. Okay, now we will see panel 1, 2, 2, 1, 1 is true, 2 is true, 1 is false, 2 is okay. Now you can see, now we will do it like this. Okay, now we can shift. Okay, shift in between panel 1 and panel 2. Okay, so in this way you can use 2 winforms in a single winform. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.